In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a subdomain on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, go into this URL section, make sure to type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. Sorry, let's just type it again without this. And that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen of the website, of course. If you have an account, make sure to hover the sign in and enter your name with password. Click at sign in to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to go here and click at sign up to create an account. Once you make one of those, you will find yourself on a home screen like this. And here you will find yourself, you are logged in into your account already. So as we said, we would like to create a subdomain or our account on Namecheap. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go into this domain list. Make sure to navigate into the domain name that you would like to add the subdomain on it. Then click on manage of the name domain or domain name that you want. Now you would like to go into this advanced DNS. And of course, once you are here, make sure to go and find this host records. Normally it's going to be the second one. And now you would like to click at add a new record. Now, you would like to select the way your subdomain will be connected from this list below. As you can see, here we have a lot of things. So just choose whatever suits you. Once you do that, of course, everyone has its own things, as you can see, if we change it. But what remains the same is this host, and this is changed. And of course, you can change this TLL from automatical to a lot of things here. Once you finish, save all the changes, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.